Hi everyone, I'm Patty Post, founder and CEO of Checkable Medical, but I'm also a mother of 3. Checkable Medical, we know that we moms are busy, but we also know that moms are the chief medical officers of our homes. A study from 2017 showed that mothers make 79% of the healthcare decisions in our homes, and we take our kids to 77% of the clinic visits. Telemedicine is allowing us to save time, but also provide care to our precious little ones. At Checkable Medical, we understand this, and our platform is designed for mothers. And we're designing rapid strep tests and diagnostics that allow moms to check for strep at home, which essentially empowers them to make healthcare decisions from the comforts of home without having to drag our kids into the doctor. If you'd like to learn more about what we're working on at Checkable Medical, please visit us at checkablemedical.com.